What's up, Tech Fam? Brace yourselves for a sneak peek at the next big thing. Samsung's One UI 7 beta with Android 15 is officially here, and it's packed with some seriously cool features. Let's check out the highlights. First up, the interface. One UI 7 is all about simplicity and elegance. With cleaner lines, smoother transitions, and a fresh new look, your phone will feel brand new. And the customization options? Endless. You can tweak everything to match your style perfectly. Next, let's talk about performance. Android 15 brings a boost in speed and efficiency. Apps load faster, multitasking is a breeze, and battery life? It's like your phone had a triple espresso. Goodbye, battery anxiety. And for the camera enthusiasts out there, you're in for a treat. One UI 7 makes it easier than ever to capture stunning photos and videos. With enhanced AI and new editing tools, every shot is Instagram-worthy. But wait, there's more. Privacy and security get a major upgrade. With Android 15's advanced features, you have greater control over your data. Feel secure knowing your personal info is in safe hands. So there you have it. One UI 7 beta with Android 15 is a game changer, and it's just the beginning. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to experience your Samsung device like never before. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech goodness. See you in the next one.